9845. If the augmented flight crew member is not acclimated, the A. Maximum flight duty period given in 14 CFR Part 117, Table C, not included herein, is reduced by 30 minutes. B. Flight duty period assignment must be reduced 15 minutes by each 15 degrees of longitude difference from the previous rest location. C. Minimum rest period must be extended by 3 hours. The correct answer is A. According to 14 CFR Part 117.17, B. 2. If an augmented flight crew member is not acclimated, the maximum flight duty period given in 14 CFR Part 117, Table C, is reduced by 30 minutes. An augmented flight crew member is a flight crew member who is not a member of the certificate holder's regular flight crew. Acclimated means that the flight crew member has been exposed to the time zone and the environmental conditions for at least 8 hours. The FAA requires this reduction in the maximum flight duty period because it ensures that augmented flight crew members are well rested and alert when they begin a flight duty period. This is important because it helps to ensure the safety of the passengers and crew on board the aircraft. The requirement for augmented flight crew members to have a reduced maximum flight duty period applies to all augmented flight crew members, regardless of the type of aircraft or the length of the flight. This is because the FAA believes that the benefits of having well-rested augmented flight crew members outweigh the costs. The FAA also requires that augmented flight crew members be given the opportunity to take a break during the flight duty period. This break must be at least 30 minutes long, and it must be taken at least once every 4 hours. This is important because it helps to ensure that augmented flight crew members remain alert and refreshed throughout the flight. The FAA believes that these requirements help to ensure the safety of the passengers and crew on board aircraft. 9846. The flight duty period may be extended due to unforeseen circumstances before takeoff by as much as A. 2 hours, B. 1 hour, C. 30 minutes. The correct answer is A. The pilot in command and the certificate holder may extend the maximum flight duty length allowed for augmented and unaugmented operations by up to 2 hours if unanticipated operational conditions occur prior to takeoff. 9847. After takeoff, unforeseen circumstances arise. In this case, the flight duty period may be extended by as much as A. 2 hours, B. Necessary to reach the closest suitable alternate crew base airport, C. Necessary to land at the next destination airport or alternate airport. The correct answer is C. The pilot in command and the certificate holder may extend the maximum flight duty periods for augmented and unaugmented operations if unexpected operational circumstances occur after takeoff to the extent required to safely land the aircraft at the next destination airport or an alternative airport, as appropriate. 9847-1. Unforeseen operational circumstance means in A. Unplanned event of insufficient duration to allow for adjustments to schedules. B. Unforecast weather and expected ATC delays. C. Event of sufficient duration to create increased flight times for the certificate holder's operation. The correct answer is A. Unforeseen operational circumstances are unforeseen occurrences that do not last long enough to allow for schedule alterations, such as unanticipated weather, equipment failure, or unanticipated air traffic delays. 9847-2. For passenger operations under Part 121, a flight crew member may exceed maximum flight time limitations if A. Immediately followed by 11 hours of rest. B. Unforeseen operational circumstances arise after takeoff. C. Known ATC delays do not exceed 30 minutes. The correct answer is B. For passenger operations under Part 121, A flight crew member may exceed maximum flight time limitations if unforeseen operational circumstances arise after takeoff. Unforeseen operational circumstances refer to unexpected events or situations that occurred during the flight, which may extend the planned flight time beyond the maximum limits. In such cases, the flight crew member may exceed the maximum flight time limitations to safely complete the flight.